Yes. Tunaendelea na tutorial zetu za kila siku ambapo unajifunza mbinu mbalimbali za kuweza kutengeneza pesa kupitia njia ya mtandao, kupitia simu yako na internet. Unachotakiwa kuwa nacho ni simu yako smartphone pamoja na internet tu, ili uweze kupata pesa, uweze kujitengenezea pesa kupitia njia hii ya mtandao. Basi bila kupoteza muda, tumekuja na website nyingine inayofahamika kwa jina la Online Business Academy. Here you can do affiliate marketing and start making money, start making a lot of money. I'll show you how to create a free account on this platform or this website. Okay, generate unlimited affiliate commission and unlimited affiliate commission with our earlier bird Online Business Academy affiliate program. Okay, so now click join now. If you click join now, you are going to register early bird affiliate application form. Limited spot available. Correct first name, last name and email are required for payout. Okay, enter your correct name here, andika jina lako kabisa, email yako sahihi hapo. Okay, as you see here, Online Business Academy. Did you know that the Online Business Academy affiliate earn on average, this one in the last 30 days, promoting our classes, data from the 14th of February to this one. Okay, as you see here, this is the affiliate. People are earning money, a lot of money from this website. Okay, and then let's see, there is an email here. We need, you have been added as an affiliate. You have been added as an affiliate to Online Business Academy. Hi, Vincent. You've been added to an affiliate to Online Business Academy. As an affiliate, you can earn commission from any sales associated with your promotion. If a student uses your affiliate link to purchase from Online Business Academy, you will receive a percentage of the sale. To get started as an affiliate, click the button below. Get started. Okay, set a password. You need to set your password here. Okay, set up your payout. You need to set up your payout here. Save password. Okay, let's get started. As an affiliate, you will receive commission for any purchase to Online Business Academy made through your affiliate link. Learn more about the program. Continue. Complete this step later. Set up your payout. As an affiliate, you get paid through PayPal on the first business day of each month. Okay, PayPal email. Okay. Link and resources setting. So here you need to get your affiliate link so that you can start making money, but you need to put your PayPal email. My PayPal email is Alexa. And at gmail.com I can say invalid email. Okay, earn commission on sales you drive. Can earn commission, affiliate program. Learn more about the affiliate program. When will I be paid out? Okay, revenue generated, none last 7 days, none product. The school has been enabled affiliate commission for the following product. To find and copy all your affiliate link, go to link and resources page. So you need to go to link and resources. Click here. Click here, link and resources page. Okay. Link and resources page, click here and then click sales. No transaction at this time. Okay, no transaction this time. No result. Okay, link and affiliate link sources. Just wait for link and resources to be open. Okay, affiliate link resources. Affiliate link, copy and share your affiliate link or use the link generator to create new links. Name Dev monetize channel. URL this one. Okay, what is this one? You have successfully updated your payout method. Okay, you can copy this link. Online Business Academy, you can copy. Generate a link using URL. HTTP or this one. Promotional material, affiliate resources PDF, and download. Then here you can copy your link. You can copy, and if you paste here, click enter. Generated link, this one. Okay, so you can copy the link and then you can start share like this. You can copy this. Then baada ya hapo tuangalie kitu kingine ambacho ni payout. Tushaangalia setting, tushaangalia affiliate dashboard, tushaangalia. Kwa hiyo utachukua link yako hapo. Baada ya kuchukua link hiyo utaenda kuishare, na kila sales itakayofanyika kupitia link yako basi utaweza kupata commission na utaweza kuendelea kujitengenezea pesa. Asante na karibu. Usisahau kusubscribe, kulike na comment kwa channel yetu. Karibu.